Jai Jinendra everyone. In this video, we will know about Jai Jinendra. Jains mostly greet with Jai Jinendra as an oral or written communication. Jains mainly live in India, but we can also find them in other parts of the world like US, UK, Kenya, Canada, Tanzania, Malaysia, Uganda and Burma. Apart from these 10 countries, they are also located in Thailand, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines and Mexico in small numbers. The word Jain is derived from Jin. Those who are followers of Jin are called Jain. So what does Jai Jinendra means? Jai Jinendra is derived from Sanskrit language. It is a combination of two words Jai and Jinendra. Jai means to bow or adoration, whereas Jin means conqueror of internal and external enemies. Well, here we are talking about conquering external and internal enemies of self, like anger, ego, greed, including karmas. Jin is beyond the emotions of likes and dislikes of the world. We are saluting the virtues of those who have achieved full control over their five senses. By saying Jai Jinendra, we are praising the glory of God, who has shown us the path of salvation, the path of true happiness. This way, we are trying to follow this path showed by Him. Another reason of this gesture is to address every person as a supreme being, because every person is capable to become God. To sum up, Jai Jinendra means I bow down to the one who has conquered his senses. I bow to the divinity of you, since every soul can be a god. Bowing the head is a gesture of respect, and keeping the palm together means welcome and unity. It is either pronounced as Jai Jinendra or Jai Jinendra by people. Apart from meet and greet occasions, people also say Jai Jinendra in the morning before leaving the bed, while going to bed in the night. We can always greet each other irrespective of age by saying Jai Jinendra. So Jai Jinendra to everyone.